Ready to turn your TikTok feed into a shoppable storefront and watch your Ecwid sales skyrocket? First, log into your Ecwid admin panel. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a variety of options. Click on Apps and then App Market to access the Ecwid App Store. In the search bar, type in TikTok and hit Enter. Find the TikTok shopping app. This is your gateway to connecting your Ecwid store with TikTok. Click on the Install button. This will begin the installation process and link your Ecwid store to TikTok. You'll then be redirected to TikTok to authorize the connection. You'll need a TikTok business account. For this, make sure you're logged into your business account. Follow the prompts to connect your TikTok business account. You'll be asked to grant Ecwid access to manage your TikTok shop and run ads. Grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, you will be directed back to your Ecwid control panel. You will see a new tab for TikTok Shop, where you can manage your TikTok settings. Now, sync your Ecwid product catalog with TikTok. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the products you want to showcase on your TikTok shop. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your catalog. And finally, create engaging video content. Use your link products to create TikTok ads directly from Ecwid and drive traffic straight to your shop. Now you can connect with millions of potential customers.